We are here in the project, The Forbidden Image. It's a project that consists out of two different chapters. One chapter is Boris Mikhailov, the other chapter is Crossing Lines, Kharkiv School of Photography. It's a very important exhibition, especially for Boris, because I think it is his first retrospective exhibition in Ukraine.
Inside this forbidden image, our curatorial choice was to focus on three themes, like the new humanism, like the personal romantics, like the performative and the nude.
Раньше женщин не показывали. Женская натура не была показана, нельзя. И это был запрет. Говорить о плохом – это был тоже запрет. Много говорить о не очень плохом – тоже запрет. Понимаете, как бы все разрешено и в то же время все запрещено.
So this floor is dedicated to the Kharkiv School of Photography, how to live in Kharkiv, how to escape from the Soviet reality. What were the strategies? With the collapse of Soviet Union, it became again a different kind of spirit. In a way, the show is a journey from this harsh reality of Kharkiv to this idea of nostalgia and escapism.